Audi S8. Really beautiful car. Over 600 horsepower. It's got factory converters by the engine, then downpipes there and there, then 2 factory resonators there. We might delete, we don't know yet. Then a cute little X pipe right there. As you guys can see, Audi's little X pipe, kind of fat, chunky. And then another resonator, a dual in, dual out. Then dual pipes and 2 factory mufflers there and there. And then they also got the valve system in there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Anyways, it's up there. You guys see it? On each side, on one of them, it opens up when it gets to a certain RPM. So we'll let you guys hear it after we're done with the first resonator. So we're gonna take the first resonator out, which is this one, and see how she sounds. We'll be back.
To start.
Can see there's the S8. We're going to show you what we did to it so far. So it's still got the factory resonators. The factory cats are up there somewhere, hidden away. Factory resonators, secondaries right there. Then there was a kidney bean resonator in the middle, dual in, dual out. We just cut it out and welded 2 pieces of pipe in its place, as you guys can see there. Then we continued the original piping all the way back into his stock mufflers there and there. We're gonna do it in sections. There's the kidney bean that we just cut off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Guys, is just with a resonator delete, the kidney bean. This one, just in case you guys fast forward it. Go ahead. Got that craftsman on it. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Again. 93 from 89. Take the other 2 out.
It's nice drumming, but I think we can probably go.
You want to take the other 2?
Yeah. I think we could use it.
All right, turn it up. So guys, just for fun, we found a little bit of particles inside the exhaust here. So this is what it's gonna sound. This is the S8. This is what it sounds like with just cat back dump. Just barely rev it. You hear that spool? Oh, again, a little bit more. You can spool it a little bit higher. Like, wow. That's what it sounds like. Just want to let you guys hear it again. Let's keep it like that. All right, guys. So we just took those 2 resonators off. Right, where's the other one? I don't know. Right there and right there. So we're gonna put pipe in their place. We'll let you guys hear it again. Video number 4, S8. We just did resonator delete. Cats are up there on each side. We did resonator delete number 1. Then resonator delete number 2, and kept the factory mufflers there and there. There's the 2 resonators, and I'm going to show you guys that they are resonators. They are not cats, as you guys can see, straight through. Yeah, there and there. There's the kidney bean resonator that we cut. Go ahead and rev it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. It's in dynamic mode. That is sick. Man, that gives that CLS a run for its money. You turned off the dynamic? Because it started with it, then it turned it off. The valves closed after you revved it. Here's sound decibels. There we go. Again. Wow, 98. It's probably louder than that. Wow, that sounds sick. It's different. Like crackle pop. Rice Krispies, baby. That crackle comes right when you really give it gas.
So does it sound like
They're closed.
They are closed.
Yeah,
See,
look.
it's in dynamic
It's only-
mode right now. So what do I do then? Does that mean it might not be opening all the way?
No, it's not. I think it's in quiet mode, not loud
I've
mode.
got it in dynamic right now.
I think it only opens when you get to a certain RPM.
Oh, really?
They open off suction, yeah.